welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can see the activity monitor on your MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Launchpad. If you want to open the Launchpad through a shortcut key, then simply you need to press the F4 and the Launchpad will be open. Now simply what we need to do, we have to select the other section, and after clicking on the other section, simply we have to open the activity monitor. So let's click on this. And after clicking on the activity monitor, as you can see, it's like a taskbar in the Windows. And after clicking on the activity monitor, basically it's like a taskbar in Windows. Here you will be able to see you all currently running apps in background, and what is their CPU size, CPU time, threads, and ID backup apps, and all the things is provided here. There are those for softwares which will be in run, those software which are open. So you will be see the details of those software, all the softwares here. As you can see, like the system, user, idle, and threads, processor, all the things are provided here. If you want to review these details, check out the details, all the things are provided here. You can review these things here. So this is the function of activity monitor. You can monitor your all activities of MacBook here. Simply you can check them, and all the things are provided here. For example, as you can see, I have selected this one. If you want to close this, you can also do that. So in this way you can use the activity monitor. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use this. So see you guys in the next video.